here we come. We are in Iceland and today is our official day, not our first day, it's our second day, but our official day where we are going to drive into the Highlands in Iceland. We're going to try to attempt to reach Landmannalaugar today, which is about a 3-hour drive from Reykjavík. We just got our camper, it's a 4x4. Right now, we're gonna head off. Well, we are definitely getting into the inner of Iceland. We've been driving for about just over an hour, maybe, and we can see the mountains already. So we're definitely getting closer. It's exciting. Well, we're finally arriving at our destination in the Landmannalaugar. It's about 3 hours from Reykjavík. And here you have an aerial view of our camp, and we should have some time to still go hiking this evening. All right, hello. We are finally here and we are going to hike the, I think I'm saying it correctly, the Laugavegur hike. And it's, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock at night. It's pure daylight out. And it's gonna take us about a couple hours to do a turnaround. So we'll show you all the beauty, this beautiful hike here in Iceland. Very excited. It's summer, and as you can tell, we still have a lot of snow here. Looks really beautiful. Weather is perfect. We got very lucky. It was cloudy when we got here, and now it's just perfect. Tonight's dinner, hot dog with mustard and some cheese. Hey.
Masterpiece.
I don't know about that.
Chef Alex.
I cannot even turn this hot dog. So here's an aerial view of our camp, and we were hiking behind that camp in the mountains that you see in the distance. Well, good morning from Landmannalaugar. That's, I think, how you say it. We are in our camper. Suheidi's making some breakfast. She's not very excited. She's tired. We slept okay. We went hiking last night and had some very beautiful views. The weather was great yesterday. It is not so great today. In fact, it looks like it's going to start raining and we have to cross the river. So we pretty much have to get out of here because we don't want to get stuck on this campsite and then not be able to drive anymore. So we're just going to have some breakfast and our journey is going to continue. We haven't quite planned yet where we're going to go, but we'll let you know on the way how to further explore our adventure here in Iceland. So let's have some breakfast and we're out of here. So it's about 10 o'clock in the morning today, and we're just leaving Landmannalaugar, and we are thinking about going to the West Fjords or the Ring Road. As we're driving away, we had to cross the river again. It didn't seem as challenging today as it did yesterday, probably because we got used to it. But this camper from Cozy Camper so far has been treating us really well. We had breakfast. Everything is working out just beautifully so far. So on for a few hour drive now, and we'll bring you lots of beautiful stuff on the way, providing of course that the weather is somewhat decent. We're on F225 road now. Now remember, on the F roads you can only, we're in the Highlands, so if you're on an F road you can only go on an F road if you have a 4x4. Those are the rules, and not all F roads can be accessed either, depending on what time of the year is. Even though we are in the end of June now, and most F roads are open actually, we are already encountered a couple that were not. But we're driving through an area that is, you just see a lot of moss right now, and I just want to show it to you. It's really pretty. Too bad today is just a rainy day, but nonetheless, look at this. We just got off F Road 225, so we started at Landmannalaugar, and then we can go up. What we did, we turned left onto Road 225, and it took us about 2 hours. But what we experienced in this road was quite unique. Again, it's raining today, too bad, but the scenery in this road is just, you think you're on a different planet, really. It's quite unique. So we're gonna show you now what we experienced on 225 before we head down to Hella, which is gonna be very scenic. Getting ready to fly my drone here. We are in the middle of looks like another planet. I mean, look at this. I just got to show you a little bit of this landscape with flying the drone. It's this is the Highlands of Iceland. It's exciting. It's so different of what we've experienced in our lifetime. We've traveled so much, but this is unique. This looks like a different planet, literally, and we are the only people in this area. So let me show you what the drone is going to discover here. Wow, truly amazing landscape here. Obviously lava remnants of previous volcanic eruptions, but the drive felt as though we were in another world. The road was fun. We had to cross some rivers along the way, but nothing too bad. All right, we're assessing the situation here, if we can cross this river. We're in the Highlands and there's literally nobody around. I think it's okay. We knew it was going to rain all day, so instead of just sitting around in the camp or whatnot, we decided to drive as far as we could. So we went all the way from Landmannalaugar to Höfn, which is over 500 kilometers. And it seemed as though this rain was never going to end, but look what happened once we got to Höfn. Finally the day ended, and look what we've got. It's beautiful, it's early evening, and the day ended up in sunshine, so hopefully tomorrow will be a great day. And we'll be able to go to our destination and show you another beautiful day of Iceland adventures. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure tomorrow you're going to watch the next video. It's going to be incredible. I know it's going to be beautiful weather, and we're going to show you hidden gems of Iceland that you've never seen before. Let's go to sleep and see you tomorrow.